That's really what it is. Trusting in your abilities. If you don't have the trust, you're not going to be able to put in that work consistently. You know, because it can be real hard to keep working towards your vision when you can't even yet see it on the horizon. Good morning, folks. So listen, this is not a full in-depth guide showing you everything you need to do in order to make your vision a reality. Really, these are just some important key factors that I feel like if you focus on can definitely help you to get there. So with that being said, I'm gonna get right into it. So first thing, you need to see your vision. You need to have at least a general idea of what it's going to look like when it comes to life. Simple as that. Second thing, you need to plan how you are going to bring your vision to life. So, you don't need to know exactly what you're going to do. In fact, you probably won't know. I personally don't know for myself and my vision. But you have to kind of know what kind of work you're going to have to put in, how much you're going to have to work on a day-to-day basis, things of that sort. So get those kinds of ideas into your head. Have a general idea of the kind of work you're going to have to be putting in. And thirdly, trust your vision. Now, this part is, although all parts of this are important, this is really essential because that was very unexpected. The power just went out. It feels like something always trying to hold me back when I'm recording my videos, man, but I'm still getting to it. So we're going to record this one in a dark vlog style. Give me a nice little shoulder workout in. So I was saying, trusting in your vision is an essential part of the process. All the other parts are important, but there's going to be a lot of times when things are moving slow, when you feel like the results aren't coming in at the rate you expected them to. So that's when it's most important to trust your vision and really to trust in your abilities to make your vision a reality. That's really what it is. Trusting in your abilities, knowing that you have the tools within you to make it happen. You just need to put in the work. So of course the work is essential, but if you don't have the trust, you're not going to be able to put in that work consistently. Because it can be real hard to keep working towards your vision when you can't even yet see it on the horizon. It can be even harder when you feel like you've been working consistently for a while and you still can't see it on your horizon. So, that's a major key right there. Trusting in your vision no matter how long it takes. Knowing that if you just keep moving, keep learning, keep working, stay committed, it's gonna happen. I'm gonna end it off right there, man. If there's anything that really stuck with you in this video, anything you think you're gonna take with you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I reply to my comments. Hit the like button if you found value in it, and subscribe if you think you would enjoy my future content. And if you really want to support, share this video with somebody. Only if you enjoyed it yourself. I got one thing to say, man. Y'all already know if you watched my videos before. Keep working.